Alright, so my name is Ankush and welcome back to LearnoMate Technologies YouTube channel. Today's lecture is really interesting and really important also when you go for an PostgreSQL database administration interview, because I'm going to show you how you can automate the PostgreSQL database backup. So automation is really important. Let's take an example. You want to take the backup. Are you going to take the backup daily manually? No, it's not the case, right? You want to take the backup, you're going to automate it. But how to automate that? How you can schedule that backup by using the crontab or by using the other tools also, because if you know how to schedule the job, then it's done. Let's say your manager is asking you, can you please take the backup in the night 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. I'm talking about. Are you going to wake up and you are going to take the backup manually? No, you need to automate the backup. So today's lecture is all about how you can automate the backup, how to schedule the backup. Everything I'm going to show you practically. Before I show you things practically, if you are looking for PostgreSQL DBA training, real-time training, live training, you can reach out to the LearnoMate and the numbers are available over the screen. Again, if you don't want to spend the money, you can just subscribe to this channel and you can share this information with your friends, those who want to start the journey as a database administrator. We provide the trainings on multiple database including Oracle and PostgreSQL. So let's see my screen how you can automate the PostgreSQL database backup. So in the PostgreSQL, there are two type of backups are there. One is physical file backup, and then you have logical backup is there. So if you want to take the backup of logical, for that we are using a utility called, which way utility we use, we call it as a pg underscore dump. So this utility we use to take the logical backup. So what I will do, I'll show you how you can automate this logical backup. So what is the scenario? First of all, we are going to take the logical backup by using the pgdump utility. In that I will use a custom format. Then I will take that backup in some location. So there will be some location where the backup will be done. And once the backup is done, we will add one more check over there, like any backup which is older than 7 days. Any backup which is older than 7 days, that backup should be getting deleted also, because it is going to consume the storage. And then if just to make sure that this backup should be scheduled, or it should be triggered automatically, for that we are going to schedule it under the cron tab. So cron tab is basically a utility which is coming with any Linux operating system. There you can schedule your job also. First of all, the plan is very clear. We need to create a script, and that script you need to schedule under cron tab only. Okay, so that's the scenario. So let's see quickly. If I go here, pg underscore ctl start, let me start the server. Okay, I can see here ctl status. Okay, so it's already running. I have PostgreSQL 15 which is already running. So what I will do, this is my location. Let me create a script first. So I'll create one script with the name vi pg underscore backup.sh. This is the script I'm going to create, and I'll just mention few details over here because I have already created a script. I don't want to write it again because it is going to take a long time, but I'll explain you what this script is basically doing. So you just focus on here. pg underscore dump is the utility which is going to take the backup by using which user? The Postgres user. The backup I'm going to take, it is a custom format, and then we have, if we have any large objects are there, so that will get also included. -v is basically for verbose, in which location that backup will be going. The backup will be going under backup dir. So what is this location? Backup dir means this location. So what do you need to do? You need to create this location first. So I'll go here, log in here, and just create that location also, mkdir -p, and then create that location. Let me remove that first. Maybe I have that folder already available, so I'm creating it again. Then so this will be replaced with your database name. What is my database name? db1. Let me check whether we have any database. So psql -l. So I have one database here with the name db1. So this database backup I want to take. If I go here /c db1, I have this two tables are also available. So when I take the backup of DB1, it will take the backup of these two tables also. So and then, so backup dir means backup location where the backup will be getting created. That backup piece name or backup dump file name will be like database name, which is db1 underscore dollar date. So dollar date basically will be replaced by which date? Your current date. Okay, dot backup will be the extension, and this is the dollar db name. I'm passing it here. So basically this is just a plain syntax, if you compare it, this is just a plain syntax how you take the backup of your database by using the pgdump utility. So whenever you are taking the pgdump utility, so whenever you are taking the backup will be taken care by the utility called pgdump. That backup will be taken care by the postgres user -fc. This is a custom format backup. If you have any blob objects, large objects, that will be also taken. -v means verbose. Whatever, whenever you are taking the backup, that backup information you can see it over the screen, and that backup will be going into this location. This is called variable actually, backup dir. I am not hard coding it. I am creating a variable, and this is a variable value. So backup dir means this location. Database name is this location. Date means your current date in the form of YMD, and this is your current user. So this dollar date will be replaced by here. Now what I will do, I'll just save this file. You need to provide the executable permission chmod plus x to this, and you do one thing. Let's try to run it once. So if I do bash and this one, so I can see here that it's running successfully. The backup is happening successfully. There is no problem in that. Now I'll do one thing. I'll just go here and let me do one thing. Let me go to the backup location. Here you can see the script is created. The script has been executed, but we ran that script manually, guys. We have not scheduled it under any cron tab. Means I want to create a scenario in a such way that if I say that my backup should be triggered in the night by 2 o'clock, it should be triggered automatically. So for that we need to use cron tab. I'll remove this file because the backup is already ran manually now. So I'll just remove that file. You can do the automations like it will overwrite also. There are many things you can do. Okay, there is no problem in that. Now I'll do one thing. Let's do one thing. Let's use the, what is the current time? This is my current time. Okay, this is my current time. Let me write down here, and I will write down in a such way that the backup will be triggered automatically. Remember, I have already removed my backup location. Means in the backup location, whatever the backup files are there, I have already removed that. So current timing is 7:28. I'll do one thing, cron tab -e. So go to the cron tab and just add this entry here. So what entry? So I'm adding the entry here, like, let me add it. So you need to specify a timing here. So I want to execute it on which timing? So my current timing is 26 September 7:28, right? What I will do normally, if you don't understand the cron tab now, I will prefer to go into the file called crontab guru. Okay, there is a very famous website called crontab guru. You can go here, and it is saying that this is a minute, this is hour. What time you want to run? I want to run by 7:30. So I'll mention here 7. Instead of 30, I'll keep it 32 actually, 32, and then copy this. I want to run every day, every month, and every day of the week. Okay, you can change it as per your requirement also. Okay, and then paste it. Now when this script will be getting executed, that script log file will be getting created, and that log will have information about your backup. Now let's run it. What is the current timing? 7:32 we have mentioned here. The current timing is 7:29. Remember, if you go to the cd backup here, I do not have anything now. I do not have anything now. I'll do one thing. I'll go to the cron tab -e 7:31. I'll mention. So it will be quickly. What is the current timing? 7:30 na. Okay, I'm making one more mistake. It should be because we are following the 24 hours now. So it should be 7 means what is the, so if I go here, the timing is 19:31. So I'll mention 19 here. So it's 7 p.m. Now it's fine. Remember, I do not have anything here. What's the current timing? 7:30, 7:31. The job will be triggered automatically from the cron tab, and the the job can be success also, the job can be failed also, but you can see that into your log file. So what is the current timing now? 7:30, just 3 seconds, it's done. If I do ls-lrt, you can see the backup log got created. Okay, backup log got created. And if I go here and if I check that log, what you can see, I got the error message saying that there is no such file. What is the problem? I made some mistake, because the backup location, the backup script location which I have given, that's not a correct location. So I'll do one thing, no problem. Where is my, if I do cron tab -e, go there, change it to 7:33 now, and actually my backup location is not here, it's available here actually. So I am making some mistake. Even I can make the mistake, there is no problem in that. So what's the timing now? 7:33. I'll remove it. Okay, rm space rf, this older log file, I remove it. What's the current timing? 7:31. What timing we mentioned? 7:32, right? Let's do that. It's done. If I do ls l, nothing. What's the timing we mentioned? Cron tab -l, cron tab tab, 7:33 we mentioned. Actually we mentioned 7:33, and what's the current timing? 7:32, 25 seconds. Just wait for hardly 30 seconds and I'll show you. Okay, just wait for 30 seconds. So basically what happened till now, let me explain you. We created a script. In that script we mentioned the pg dump, a basically command. We have created some variable like what is the backup location, what will be the database name, the current date. These are all variables we created. And we also mentioned that any backup which is older than 7 days, it should be deleted also. So what is the timing now? 7:30. Done. See here, I can see there is a backup log and the backup also. So if I open this, you can see here the backup is completed. So that's the magic, guys. That's the magic of automation. Generally when you are working as a DBA, you don't need to manually run the jobs. The jobs will be, it's like one time activity. You are going to create a script, you are going to schedule it into the cron tab, and the job will be run quickly. Okay, so again, I know that you people are understanding, very important. So if you are looking for PostgreSQL DBA training, that to real time, you can reach out to the LearnoMate. My numbers are available over the screen. And if you don't want to spend the money, it's okay, you can just subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.